Locally T and
Teresa.
So today we're going to show you 3 really simple, really easy yoga poses.
Right.
We're first going to start with our tree pose. So we want to bring our hearts to center, balance yourself, find your center, find your peace, find your balance amongst all the noise in the world. How are you doing, Teresa?
I'm doing great.
Nice and easy. All right, now we're going to make our way to warrior pose. So we want to find ourselves in a lunge, arms out, make sure your back leg pointed, and lunge forward. Feel yourself going towards the ground. And now we want to do a reverse warrior, where we find ourselves this way, lean back, smiling, happy, content. All right, guys, it's your girl Locally T. So this week we're talking about self-care and self-love. I'm over here in Croix trying to make the most of this beautiful island, discovering myself and doing all the things that I feel I need to be my most amazing, positive self. And at 10 a.m., I'm feeling for a little mimosa, so let's see.
Perfect.
Hi, how are you? How are you?
Can I get you guys something today?
Something like a cruise and confusion mimosa situation.
Yeah, something light, and I'm trying to watch our figure. So.
Right.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Watch our figure.
I don't know, Teresa. I just feel like sometimes we're not on the same wavelength. I feel like every time I suggest that we do something outdoors or something physical, you always have some kind of problem with it.
I mean, I know it's easy, but it's hot. Like, so it's gonna be a little difficult no matter what.
I don't know. I feel like we need to have a conversation about it. But like, I ain't trying to come for you, and I don't want you to think I'm trying to come for you.
Okay. You don't have to say it like that. Let's just toast.
Right.
To a good day.
All right. Adventures and things.
What's going on, Mama? I see how you're doing the little yoga thing over there. You look good enough. I see how you're doing moves I never see before.
Sir, can you leave us alone?
Yes, me talking to you. Why the fridge always want to protect the snacks, the man? Empty barrel make the most noise, you know. You're ugly anyways, man.
What?
Papa, you're going like just getting started?
Yeah, we should.
Alright. Take care. See you.
Big dude back up.
Hey guys, it's your girl Locally T, and I'm gonna take a couple more shots. I'm actually really excited. So Teresa, how are you? It's your girl.
Yeah, it's your girl Teresa. We're doing good.
I don't know, Teresa. I feel like the whole day you've been kind of off. Like, you're giving me this weird kind of attitude. I don't really understand what's going on. I'm holding this together for us. I'm trying to put out some good content
Tori?
for the both of us.
Tori, I said we're gonna be good, okay? Just go back to your phone or something. Just go back to your phone or something.
I don't like standing at your thing, but
You can go ahead.
Just pull
It's
up right over
alright.
there.
Alrighty.
Don't kill me now. Alright guys, so we made it to the most amazing sunset spot on St. Croix. Let's hop out and get a little more content.
Yeah. I'm gonna make the drinks, okay?
Okay, no problem. I actually really appreciate that.
Go.
Thank you.
It's a little strong, okay?
Hey guys. Get light, but All right, guys. So cheers to an extremely successful day. I'm really proud of all the work that we've done.
Thank you.
And I wouldn't want to do this with anybody else.
Cheers.
It's a little strong.
It's not that strong.
It's a little strong. It's good though.
You gotta drink some more though.
But honestly, Teresa, I wanted you to know that I really do appreciate you. I love you and I value everything that you've been able to do for me and for us. I know sometimes I can get really anxious and really overwhelmed and really overbearing, but somehow you put up with it all. And I really appreciate you for that. I really love you.
I love you too.
I wouldn't want to do this with anybody else. Okay, girl, don't take my hair now. I wouldn't want to do this with anybody else. And I really look forward to everything that we're going to create together.
Me too. Right?
Yeah.
I'm sweating. It's hot.
It actually is really hot. I don't know. I think you made this a little too strong, or maybe I drank too
No,
much
it's not
today.
too strong at all. I can't wait to see the sunset.
I feel like I'm going to be sick.
It's finally over. I killed you. Die.